All right, welcome back. We've done some automated looping. We've done some automated selection or MIDI control of selection points. Now let's mess with speed and pitch. So speed, going back in, have to bring my window over, go in, select playlist, go back to the reference, and there is a speed message. First argument specifies the clip, second is the rate, and this is relative, so 1.0 is unity, 0.5 is half speed. Let's put them down here. Close this for now. Keep things open. So let's mess around with a third clip this time. Speed, clip 3, and the value is going to be a $1. And let's use a floating point number into this. And loop control, as I keep adding parameters, it should really be send playlist control. So I'm changing my send objects. And I have to change my receive object. And to make sure I haven't screwed up, turn my audio back on. Looping on and off, so I haven't screwed up. Playlist control, playlist control, playlist control. Let's go back to editing. And now, if I start playing number 3, slow it down. Speed it up past original. And stop it. So, you can hear 1 is original, less than 1 slows it down, more than 1 speeds it up past the original. And pitch is changing with speed playback. So it's just like manipulating a tape deck for you old timers, or reading through the file more slowly without any other processing is going to drop the pitch. If we read through the file more quickly without any other processing, it's going to raise the pitch. And that's fine. So let's work on this for a while. So I want to make it something that I can automate. Back to edit here. And I want to use a controller again. I want to use the mod wheel this time. So control in 1. And that's going to come to that. And let's use scale. Now scale this time, it's 0 to 127, like always for continuous controllers. But my values, let's say I want to slow it down to 0.1, 0.05. And my maximum, let's say, is going to be 4 times the normal rate. That's doubling it twice. Maybe just 2 times the normal rate. So I need to think about values that are useful for speed control. Now if I'm playing, and I move the mod wheel. And remember, the whole reason I'm doing this, with my hands free, I can adjust the loop points. and stop that. Okay, so I want to make this work on all the clips, and I have to do some changing again here. Really, what I'm going to do is I only need to really manipulate the speed for the clip that's playing. I'm running out of controllers on my MIDI controller, hardware controllers, so I need to condense a little bit. And so I'm going to use a gate that's going to take input and route it to whatever output matches the clip that's playing. And I can use the fact that I'm starting and stopping the clips with my keyboard to do this. So let's create my copies. And this time around, I just need to copy this middle part. Actually, I just need to copy two objects. Make it even simpler. Just need to copy this. So 2 and 1 and 4. Do a little quick editing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this value, whatever's coming out of the mod wheel that's been scaled, is going to be sent to whichever message matches the clip that's playing. Let's connect them all. Can clean up a little bit. Shift Command Y will do the alignment. For the patch chords, Command Y will do it for the objects. They're already lined up. Now, I mentioned routing it, and actually in programming terms in Max, it's a gate. One inlet going to multiple outputs is controlled by a gate. Sorry, I just started typing random things. I want a new object called gate, and typically a gate just has two inlets and one outlet. The first inlet is the control, whether I'm going to open and close the gate, and this is the data that's passing through. What I want is 4 outlets. So I need to give an argument 4. And you can see now I have 4 outlets. Same control, here's my data comes in. And whatever number comes into this is going to open that outlet and route that input to that outlet. So I'm taking from my key control here. I'm going to use another send object, and this one's going to be clip. And down here, I'm going to receive the clip. And just so you can see that it's happening, I'll add a number in. And then if the first gate's open, that'll go here. Second gate, third, fourth. So how does this work? I'm going to start playing number 1. And that has opened outlet 1 for whatever input. Now if I start playing 2, my speed control is now being routed to the second outlet, and that's affecting the speed for that clip. Same for the third. Or the fourth. And then if I hit 0, nothing's open, but nothing's playing, and that's fine. So my mod wheel now is just my single speed control for all the clips that are playing. And that's a good stopping point. That's just speed, pitch, connected. In the next one, I'll talk about how to change time, speed, and pitch independently using time stretch. We're stopping there.